In this video, you'll learn how to clone websites using Kimi AI. This guide will walk you through each step to successfully replicate a website, ensuring you understand the process completely. To begin, navigate to the Kimi AI website, open your preferred web browser, and type in the URL for Kimi AI. Once the page loads, you should see an interface that features various options for creating and interacting with AI models. Next, look for a prompt area on the main screen. This is where you will input your command. Click on the designated prompt input area to activate it, indicating that you are ready to type your request. Type in the command clone Netflix website into the prompt area. This instruction tells Kimi AI exactly what you want it to do. After entering your command, ensure that it is spelled correctly to avoid any errors during the process. After typing your command, locate and click the enter button to submit your request. This action will initiate the cloning process. You should see a loading indicator appear showing that Kimi AI is processing your request. Now, you will need to wait for Kimi AI to generate the cloned website. The duration of this process may vary based on the complexity of the request and your internet speed. If you have a slow connection, it might take longer to receive the completed clone. Be patient during this time as Kimi AI works. Once the cloning process is complete, Kimi AI will display the replicated website. You can now review the output to ensure it meets your expectations. If necessary, you can make adjustments or try cloning a different website using the same method. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.